Hello, everyone from quantlabs.net. Welcome to another edition on Saturday evening, March 14th, 6:40 p.m. Today we're going to talk about what I call mission critical or crisis mode. So on Monday, the 16th, we will do a webinar called Crisis Mode, be streamed live here on Facebook under the page quantlabs.net. And you can also get all that information here at quantlabs.net/webinar. Also, if you want to get some free trading books, just join quantlabs.net and put in your information, and you'll get some free books out of that. Also, if you want to learn more about the world of algo trading, this is now pretty well on Amazon, so the price will double to substantiate all the fees associated to get the DVD. But there's also the web edition, $10 right now, but price will go up very soon. And lastly, as I said, the March 16th, quantlabs.net/webinar for all the details. Okay, so let's talk about crisis mode. Some of you may have lost quite a bit over the last few weeks thanks to the good old coronavirus spreading, coming to a town near you. A lot of fears in the market. Everything around me shutting down. I'm hearing Spain is in lockdown. France is banning being in cafes and restaurants. So who knows where this is going to go? But as you know, Bitcoin has taken a huge dump. I'll be honest, I have been up front all the time, lost pretty well half of my portfolio because of this. It dropped 40% on Thursday, Friday. So that is not a huge concern. It's only not very much, actually. Not like my life savings or anything, but this is the current state it's been in. It's been up and down in extreme. These are the big four. These are your big movers down. You know, Bitcoin down 2.5%, Bitcoin Cash down 1.4%, Litecoin down 1.6%. And I use this thing called a weighted average. But I do log that, and it's quite interesting when you look at, which I could show you, that there is still opportunity out there. So it's not all bad, but this is where you need to be following the world of let me just go to the temp here. So you need to be in the world of algorithmic trading. So here I have my risk, this metric I just showed, the weighted average. I log that. So here's where it's been over the last few days. As I said, today's the 14th. It's been down, but it was positive, somewhat positive. And then it was negative again starting March 14th at 6:30 in the morning. Okay, and then it started going pretty crazy. Sometime right here on the 13th. So between the hours of let's say 8 o'clock, it was up. It was like extreme high up, as you can see here. So I logged that. So the crypto market's going crazy right now, of extreme up, extreme down. You can see here, it just suddenly within 4 hours it flips from -1 to within a few hours, where it just goes up here at positive, and it gets fairly strong as well. So there are episodes of where the markets do come back, but for a very short period of time, where it goes positive. As you can see here, it's only positive for about, looks like 4, 6, 7, 8 hours. That's on the 13th, and that's at 9:30 in the morning. So it's very random. So the only way to take advantage of this is if you are, have some kind of algorithmic trading system or bot like I have here that tries to take advantage of it. Okay, so I've shown that multiple times. So there was a very interesting article. I'm quite surprised that nobody on my Facebook group caught it, but I thought I would highlight this to you. This is really powerful. It's called whale watching. Prior 2 years before the ETFs became the woo-woo of the investment world where ETF order flow was used as a leading indicator where things go, be it in the stock, be it in a commodity, be it in whatever. That was a really solid indicator that was very reliable. But now everybody's in ETFs. It's a very dangerous a portfolio class to be in if that portfolio manager does not know how to rebalance in time when the markets turn, because everything's down now. So even cryptos, I just showed you. So in the world of crypto, they have this thing called whale watching. These are the people that have probably millions, billions of dollars. So now there's this new leading indicator that was identified a few days before the major dump on the 13th. So as you can see here, exchange data contain early warning of Thursday's Bitcoin dump. This is because all transactions are on a blockchain. This is how transparent it is. So you have this site called CryptoQuant. Okay, and here's the chart. So this happened right up around here, March 6th, where the withdrawals, outflow from the blockchain was what potentially spooked the market. And because that spooked the market, a few days later, the dump happened. So here it is, higher than unusual beginning March 8th. And this happened on Thursday, where the dump was about 40% for, I'd say 24 hours, maybe 2 days. So the outflow was much faster and whatnot. How do they know that? It's because they're watching the blockchain, okay? Because the blockchain is open, it is public. So is there a way to identify these type of things where you can use now withdrawals from the blockchain as an early indicator of what will happen to the blockchain, or so to that particular crypto coin, so Bitcoin in this case. So it did drop right here, 39% on Thursday. So if you want to read that article, just go over to Coindesk.com and look for whale watching exchange data contain early warning of Thursday's Bitcoin dump. So this is something to be on the lookout for, and I'm sure this may never happen again because people are going to start hearing about this article. So a couple of places to go for this is I thought maybe there's API documents that you can get on something like Binance to watch for that. It doesn't look like they put out their withdrawal information, but you don't need to be on an exchange. You should be able to get that info off a blockchain itself. So here, this is CryptoQuant here itself. So in here, they do give you an API access to this. There is a miner flow, exchange flow, inter-entity flow, network data, market data. So it's out there, and that's for Bitcoin, and you can also do the same thing with Ethereum as well. So this may be really useful to have if you're really serious about crypto data, watching it to see price action, to see where it'll go, at least market direction for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this became, to me, the eureka moment. It was like a big aha moment. So I just wanted to put that out there. You can go to CryptoQuant.com and figure all that stuff out. It looks like you have to pay to get that type of access. Now, if you want to learn more for what I do, again, you can come over to quantlabs.net, put in your info for a bunch of books, Trade Like a Boss, Algo Trading Secrets, blah, blah, blah. There's also the DVD where I have an actual DVD walk you through the Python crypto bots as well, and MotiveWave as well. And don't forget, if you're before Monday, that we have this topic and other stuff that I'm planning to do. But I do like the look of what I just showed you, this CryptoQuant. All right, and that's pretty well it. Just wanted to record that for you. Let me know what you think, and if anybody out there wants to go dig for this information, see if you can get an open source or find a link that would do this online as an example, let me know. Talk to you later. Have a good day.